What is up, Boujiful people? We are back with another new video. Finally, it's been a minute for a new unboxing and we are finally back. So, as you can tell by the title, Off-White, Bart Simpson, or you know, Simpson collaboration. Why did I say it like that? Simpson collaboration right here in this box. I do have the hoodie version, so let's get into it. Around the box, basically nothing, alright? Of course, I'm not going to show the other side because, you know, shipping label and everything, address is on there. So let's get into the unboxing. Make sure you guys always close your knives after unboxing it or slicing, whatever you're doing, because safety first, family. So opening the box. Oh, I'm excited for this one. Honestly, I'm really excited for this piece and I'm gonna tell you guys why. So let me just remove it from the box first. Oh, it feels nice, baby. Woo. So nothing else in the box, as you can see. Put this down on the side for now. Let me fix the camera real quick. Now for this piece, of course, I want to keep my hands clean only because it is a white hoodie. All right, so I don't care if I'm cut off. Main thing is the piece is on in the camera. Unraveling, unwrapping, you know what I mean, baby. Oh, snap, boy. All right, so nothing else inside the wrapping. Here it is. Wow, what the heck? This is wow. Okay, so a couple of things I want to mention. Obviously, as I said, I'm really excited for this piece only because it's embroidered, fam. Okay, check that out. That is fresh embroidery. It's not printed on. Check that. Yo, the quality of the like the material of the jacket is different. I'm probably going to hang this up on a portable rack so I can, you know, you guys can see it better when it's unfolded and open. But let me just unfold it right now. Dang, check the back out. I believe it's a fuchsia pink. Look at that. Damn, dude, I'm excited for this. All right, let me go to the front real quick. Nice. Tags inside. Wow, surprisingly this tag, I don't know, this piece doesn't have any of the infamous zip ties or anything. So here's the tag. I did purchase this off of Essence. Shout outs, man. Essence, y'all already know what it is, baby. I don't know if it's like a return because there is no tags. It's kind of weird. I'm kind of iffy about it. It smells new though, and it was the last one. So I don't know, but we'll see. All right, let's get a better view of it. All right, guys, so unfortunately with further inspection, it did have the tags, but I guess it was a return item and someone took it. As you can see, it comes with the you know, the usual long string that comes all the way from the top of the neck down to the bottom with all the zip tag ties, you know. I mean, it doesn't really bother me unless it was like a special tag with the Simpsons animation, but you know, as I said, yeah, it doesn't really bother me because I got a dozen of those. So hopefully it's not special, but if it is and you guys got the piece, please let me know. Then maybe I could try get, I don't know how I'm gonna get it from Essence, but you know, other than that, I'm really here just for the hoodie. Besides, it eventually falls off, by the way. If you guys do leave it on, it will fall off. The plastic does crack if you sit on it or just, you know, wear and tear. Back to the point though. So here's the hoodie. You get Bart Simpson on the front. I believe it says don't have a cow. Man, don't know what that means. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna stand here and pretend I do watch the Simpsons religiously. I don't. But flipping it to the back, check that out. Fuchsia pink again. And it says stop back to jeans and a white t-shirt. What? Okay, that's super different. That did not say that on my Mona Lisa hoodie. Shameless plug, go ahead, check that out. The back is basically the same, but it has small little writings like the TM 19, Spring Summer 2019, Man Collection, Milan Italy 2019, Off-White, and then I guess the style code, and then Milan Italy again, and then stop back to jeans and a white t-shirt. So as you can see, look, that is prime time embroidery, bro. And look at the hoodie too. It kind of has like it's like a thicker kind of material. I don't know, it has lines though, as you can see. Let me see the back real quick. Yeah, you see it in the hoodie too, like the hoodie. That's crazy. Check out the laces, the aglets. Super cool. Says Off-White at the tips. I don't know if we can catch that. Can we catch that? Well, yeah. Oh, actually, wow, this is different too. It says metal tip. I actually don't know if my Mona Lisa one says metal tip, but it says metal tip with the infamous quotes, and then it says Off-White. Let me try pull out the tags real quick. So inside, you got the Off-White tag, size large, care instructions and stuff like that. And then, you know, what everybody's looking for. Made in Italy. Yeah, man, see, that's the rope that comes with the tag and everything. Didn't get no tags. I don't see anything inside. The inside though does have the you know, main label, Off-White class of Virgil Abloh, defining the gray area between black and white, blah blah blah. Check out the inside, the embroidery. Flip it inside out real quick. The embroidery work is pretty fire. I like it though. See that? Man, it's cool though. It's a really thick hoodie. Let me try to put this on, see how the fitting is, and let you guys know. But honestly, I think you're fine going with your true to size. Not too sure. Let me go try it on. Hold up. right, so how does it look? Oh, it looks good. You know, I'm glad I purchased this because dang, I was hoping the pockets would have the tags, but I'm glad I purchased it because I always wanted a white hoodie. I have so many colors with like sweaters and stuff, but no white, only because it's dangerous to be wearing white. But check that out. Again, it's a large. I am usually a large, so this is a large hoodie. You know, it didn't say oversized, that's why, so I was just like, all right, whatever. I'm loving it. I seriously love it, dude. If I got a medium, I probably would have been a little bit disappointed, but the large is looking good. Yeah, nice. Ooh, this might be my new favorite hoodie, fam. Wow, dang. All right, well, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped you a lot. Again, unfortunately, no tags, but that's the least of my worries now. So that's the main thing. I want the piece. I got the piece that I wanted. This is so dope. So dope. Don't have a cow? Man, I don't know what that means. Somebody let me know what that means in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. I will be coming back with more unboxings. I don't know, I'm trying to pick up another piece, but it's been selling out. But you know how when it sells out, sometimes it comes back in stock. It happened last night, but I took an L because I was just waiting for it. I was just like, you know what? All right, let me get it later on in an hour. Came back, it was sold out. So hopefully that piece comes back, then I can make an unboxing on that. It is an off-white piece, but again, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, comment below. You need any help with the sizing? If you guys are gonna cop a pair for yourself, do it. I personally think you should. We're wrapping it up. Y'all take it easy. Be easy. Be snazzy. G easy. I don't know how to end these videos. All right, peace.